Hello and welcome to my channel, Love Miss Bob. Today we'll be learning how to make an I-cord on a spool knitter. Yes, this spool knitter right here. Oh, here's the theme song.
Love Miss Bob! Love Miss Bob! Love Miss Bob!
Hello and welcome again. Today we'll be working with this spool knitter I made out of a wooden spool and these 4 finishing nails right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to need our loom pick. You can get them from all kinds of different stores, and some yarn, which I have my yarn ball scraps clipped with these little barrettes. The bowl is not necessary, I just did it so my ball would not roll off the table. But here we go. Oh, and later we will need scissors. We're going to start by making a slip knot. And if you don't know how, you just wrap it around your fingers. This is a little tricky to record here to show you. But then you just push the loop under, grab the loop right there, and with your other hand, make sure you grab that tail. So you grab the tail in the loop and you pull, you have a little knot, and just fix that onto the first, nope, not all 3, the first part of your spool loom. Now we're going to try and shove that tail down the middle after I loosen this knot a little bit. Don't pull it too tight at first. But we all make mistakes, so we just move on. And we push this tail down through here. This is going to take a minute. I did not sand the middle of this spool, so I will need to go back and do that later. But for right now, I think I'm going to use my loom pick to kind of grab the yarn from the bottom and pull it down. There we go. So that will pull that through the middle. And now we'll just take the yarn and wrap it around each of the pegs, around and behind and around and behind, around and behind. Then now it sits in front of that first slip knot. We'll just throw it on the top there. Use your loom pick to pick up that bottom stitch. Kind of use your finger to balance the yarn and pull the stitch over the top of the peg. Turn. And we're going to do the same here. We're just going to use the loom pick to pull and go over. And again. Now notice I'm not rewrapping the pegs as I go. It's just laying flat in front. Makes a very simple I-cord. Just keep your tension loose. That's why I'm holding the yarn with my 2 fingers to the back there to kind of keep it loose. So just pull it up and over one last time. And now you will just continue going around. You kind of pull it tight down through the middle there. Continue going around and around until you have your I-cord as long as you want. Okay, and I've went ahead and paused while I did a few rows, and I didn't make it very long. You can obviously make it longer for whatever purposes you need. Just pause while you go that. But here I'm going to show you how to cast it off. So we just take our scissors and we're going to cut a little bit of a tail. Don't need a long one, just a little bit. And now we're going to take our loom hook. We're going to bring this again in front, just like we're doing a row on the I-cord. And go ahead and flip that stitch over. But now we're going to pull the string all the way through so it is no longer on that peg. And we're going to go do the same to the next 3. So again, flip it over and pull that string all the way out. Pull the yarn out. 2 more times. Flip it over. Pull it out. Last time, here we go. Flip it over and pull it all the way out. Now we're going to take the I-cord off. We're going to pull both ends tight. That kind of seals the knitting on there. And like I said, it's a short one for here, but it serves the purpose. So now you know. Have fun making I-cords. Love, Miss Bob.